akihuranira giturwa kia munini wa speaker wa Senate.
Also resolved that we'll have His Excellency the former Vice President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as our speaker candidate for the Senate and to be deputized by Mheshimiwa Senator Manzayo Stephen Stewart kutoka Kilifi.
Ngwatanĩro ĩno no iguithanirie kunyita mbaru Kenneth Marende akihuranira giturwa gia speaker wa bunge ya kĩbũrũri na Farah Maalim ũrĩa nĩ mũmbunge mũthure wa Dadaab kuhuranira giturwa kia munini wa speaker wa bunge ĩyo.
Kenneth Marende as our candidate for the speakership of the National Assembly to be deputized by Mheshimiwa Farah Maalim.
Azimio nĩ nyũrũrĩtie ambunge a ngwatanĩro ĩyo arĩa mathamĩire ngwatanĩro nĩ ya Kenya Kwanza makiuga mathiĩte mwena ũcio nĩ ũndũ wa ũkoroku wa mbeca, na ĩno nĩ mbica ya gũconora mũikia wa kura ũrĩa ũramathurire marĩ rungu rwa ciama cia Azimio. Ũtongoria wa ngwatanĩro ĩno ũrĩ na mwĩhoko nĩ ũkũhotana ithurano-inĩ cia ũspika, makiuga nĩo marĩ na namba nene ya bunge-inĩ cierĩ.
None of us is available for sale. We will do our duty. We will do our duty to the people who elected us. We will remain faithful to the people who gave us votes under the Azimio coalition. And in fact, we want to condemn this culture of purchasing leaders for purposes of political ends.
We want Kenyans to know that any leader who was elected under Azimio and is now joining Ruto, William Ruto in his Kenya Kwanza, is a person who is for cheap, he is dishonest, is not even fit to be called a leader.
We will work as a unit. We are the majority, and we are going to play the role that is played by those who are majority in the National Assembly.
Atongoria a ngwatanĩro ĩno marauga merĩgĩrĩire kuona ambunge othe arĩa mathurĩtwo na tigiti wa ciama iria irĩ rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ĩyo. Amũngirimiti ĩrĩa yohithanĩtie ciama cia Azimio yugĩte gũtirĩ kĩama kĩngĩeheria mĩeri 3 ĩtarĩ mĩthiru thutha wa gĩthurano kĩnene. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.
Mwangi wa Maina. President Muthure William Ruto na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua nĩ matafanĩtie mũcemanio wa ambunge arĩa mathuurĩtwo na kĩama kĩa UDA na atongoria a ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza mũciĩ-inĩ gwake Ruto mwena wa Karen. President Muthure William Ruto augĩte mũcemanio ũyũ ũkũrongoragĩria ũrĩa thirikari yake ĩgũtwarithia na mbere tabarĩra cia bũrũri.
Create a team that carries the face of Kenya as we look into the leadership of our country. And as we try to create that face of Kenya, it is important for us to look at certain parameters. You're all aware that we already have a president and a deputy president elected. Sindio? So we build a bigger coalition nationally for us to be able to carry the whole country. And we will be deliberate. Even when I assemble the next government, we will be deliberate in making sure that we carry the face of this country. Because in this election, the people of Kenya have spoken to us very loudly. They have said they do not want ethnicity to be part of the equation of the politics of Kenya. And unless we get a different suggestion from the floor, we settled on Moses Wetangula for the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Gazeti ya thirikari nĩ cabithĩtie marĩtwa ma andũ arĩa maamũrĩtwo ta ambunge na maseneta nĩ ciama ngũrani cia ũteti. Kĩama kĩa Jubilee kĩamũrĩte mũmbunge ũmwe ũrĩa nĩ Sabina Chege nake Margaret Kamar akamũrwo mũmbunge thĩinĩ wa Senate. Kĩama kĩa UDA kĩamũrĩte ambunge 5 na maseneta 8. Harĩ maseneta acio nĩ kuongereirwo ũmwe wa kũrũgamĩrĩra ayuthi na ũngĩ wa kũrũgamĩrĩra andũ arĩa makoragwo na mawathe. Kĩama kĩa ODM nakĩo kĩrĩ na maseneta 5 akwa kwamuro aria ni atumia matongoretio ni Betty Bentuli Montet kiama kia Wiper kiri na mweke omwe wa kwamura maseneta na kio kiama kia UDM maseneta eri amwe aria mamuritwo notithini yo mararugamirira ayuthi atumia na aria mari na mawathe. Na thutha wa ithurano riu uthimani wa icoka gatagati-ini ka ngwataniro cia Kenya Kwanza na Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition iroretio bunge-ini cia bururi na seneta ithurano-ini cia speaker na anini ao. Moses Wetangula wa Kenya Kwanza akiambanira njata na Kenneth Marende wa Azimio kihitaitano-ini gia speaker wa bunge ya bururi Kalonzo Musyoka akiturumithania hia na Amason Kingi wa Kenya Kwanza bunge-ini ya Senate. Waweru wa Nyambura enohoro yo makiria.
Gatagati ka makiria ma andu 40 aria marenda giturwo gia speaker wa bunge ya Senate na 37 aria marenda giturwo giki bunge-ini ya bururi kihitahitano gicokete o haria kiambiriire kimera-ini giki turatiria kia githurano hari uthimani wa icoka ciothe gatagati ka ngwataniro cia Kenya Kwanza na Azimio la Umoja na o ringi kigatuithanio ni urito wa namba.
As you all know, I've been in this house for a long time. And I do know what is required of the Speaker of this House in terms of legislative agenda, the administration of the institution of Parliament, which is critical in our democracy, and everything that goes with it.
Kwa hivyo ukiangalia historia iko na mimi kuwa kwamba mimi ni mtu ambaye amejaribiwa, amefanya kazi na kazi yake imeonekana.
Timu ya utongoria bunge-ini ya bururi iria iratindikwo ni ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ni Moses Wetangula ari ta speaker na Gladys Sholei ari munini wake. Mung'ethaniro uria mambikirwo ni Azimio ni wa Kenneth Marende ari ta speaker na Farah Maalim ari munini wake. Bunge-ini ya Senate Kalonzo Musyoka akihuranira giturwa gia speaker, Stewart Mazawe munini wake nio mombite timu ya Azimio, nayo ya Kenya Kwanza yubitwo ni Amason Kingi akihuranira giturwa gia speaker, Kathuri Murugi ari munini wake.
So the senators will have to make the decisions tomorrow. A very important decision, and of course we'll be talking to some of them if we can. So the only thing I could add is perhaps an occasion for national reflection, bridge building, if we can. I think that is the work of the Senate.
Kwa hiyo mimi kama Deputy Speaker, imani iko wa Senate, imani iko na tunahakika kwamba safari hii tunaweza kuibuka washindi bila wasiwasi.
Tumejipanga and our numbers are right, and we have no doubt that tomorrow our members who have signed to and promised to support us will cast their votes for us. You know, we are going in as a pair, Speaker and Deputy Speaker. We are like congenital twins in the discharge of our duties, and we are going to act as such.
Bunge-ini ya bururi no nginya muhotani amukire makiria ma kura 233 gatagati ga kura 349 wona kwaga uguo abunge macoke githurano-ini kia njoko. Githurano-ini giki wa mbere na wa keri hari uingi wa kura raundi-ini ya mbere no macemanagie kiharo, no rita riri uria wamukira kura iria nyingi agakindirwo ta muhotani. Bunge-ini ya Senate no kinya muhotani wa raundi ya mbere anyitwo mbaru ni seneta 45 gatagati ka 67 kwaga uguo macoke githurano-ini kia njoko gatagati-ini ka andu eri aria matongoretie githurano-ini kia mbere na muhotani akindirwo ta speaker wa Senate.
Iwapo pengine kuwe na usawa wa kura katika uchaguzi wa pili, basi tutaendelea kufanya chaguzi nyinginezo mpaka pale ambapo tutampata mgombea uchaguzi huo mmoja ambaye atakuwa amepata wingi wa kura.
Githurano kigatafanio na njira ya thiri na mehariria mothe magirire kurikirira mathaa meri mbere ya abunge na maseneta matonyete irebe-ini. Ni undu wa unyihu wa namba ya maseneta, githurano kia bunge ya Senate kirigirirwo kurika mbere ya kia bunge ya bururi.
Before the conclusion of the ballot, if you mark the paper erroneously, you can return the paper to the clerk and obtain another paper in place of that. And that's the one that is wrong is cancelled in the full view of everyone.
Iguru ria mirugamo miruru iria irigirirwo bunge-ini ya bururi na ya Senate, speaker na anini ao magithurwo, atongoria a nyumba ici ciari cia icirĩrwo aria twaritie nao maroiga ati mena mwihoko ni makagathika utongoria uria ukumateithĩrĩria gutungatĩra aria mamathurire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma bunge-ini ya Senate, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.
Kathashia mwanya Waweru wa Nyambura ni ripoti ya tobe tuhumuke o hanini tu no niturashoka tuthi na mbere na mohoro.
Kesho napatana na marafiki zangu niliosoma nao. Sasa nikapendeza na nguo ndio na madoa na mabaki.
Hata baada ya kuisuuza nguo hii mara nyingi na bado ina mabaki, nimepata suluhisho. Shukran kwa New Ariel Liquid Hand Wash.
Tofauti na boda, Ariel Liquid huyuka papo hapo na kupa mng'aro safi bila kuacha madoa au mabaki.
Unapendeza sana. Material gani hii? Ni New Ariel Liquid.
Jaribu New Ariel Liquid Hand Wash, mng'aro kamili bila mabaki.
Muturire kugashira kugerera Peters Driving School and Computer College. Uthomithania wito wa driving ni wa gikiro kia iguru.
Nilipata mafunzo pale Peters Driving School, walinifunza professional driving. Hivi sasa mimi ni driver ambaye